Here's a simple visualization of how tokens work. Tokens are variables that change the look of components or whole websites. Tokens allow switching between brands, themes, and breakpoints. In this example, we are changing tokens in the design system kit for 3 pages simultaneously. Tokens set up here are spacing, colors, fonts, assets, and others. In this example, we see foundational color tokens, beside a page layout. When changing from one brand to another, fonts and colors are updating. Not only a page can be tokenized, but also the design documentation. Watch the color hex values updating when changing themes.